Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Dose of Space. Today, we've got two stories that couldn't be more different. One right here in our cosmic neighborhood, and one that stretches across the entire universe. First, there's a comet that's been turning heads, literally glowing gold after its close encounter with the sun. And second, a new study suggests that the universe itself might be slowing down its expansion. Yeah, you heard that right. The thing we've been told for years is speeding up might actually be hitting the brakes. Let's start close to home. Earlier this month, astronomers observed Comet C 2025 K1, better known as ATLAS, as it made its closest approach to the sun. What's called its perihelion. What caught everyone's attention wasn't just its brightness, but its strange golden color. Most comets we see have bluish or greenish tails, caused by gases like carbon monoxide or cyanogen reflecting sunlight. But this one? It's shining with a golden hue, something scientists don't see very often. The reason is pretty fascinating. As the comet gets closer to the sun, the heat starts to vaporize metals buried in its icy surface, especially sodium. When sodium atoms get hit by sunlight, they glow with a yellowish gold color, the same reason old streetlights used to shine that amber tone. So basically, what we're seeing is sunlight bouncing off evaporated sodium gas, like the comet is literally glowing metal. Comets like Atlas are time capsules. They're leftovers from the birth of the solar system, frozen pieces of rock and ice that haven't changed much in 4.5 billion years. Every time one swings near the sun, it gives us a peek at the raw materials that built our planets. And for Atlas, this pass might be its last. It's shedding more dust than expected, which could mean it's slowly breaking apart. So, while a golden comet burns briefly near the sun, astronomers are also looking much farther away and seeing something that might change how we think about the entire universe. For decades, scientists have believed that the universe is expanding faster and faster, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. It makes up about 70% of the cosmos, but no one really knows what it is. The evidence for that idea came mostly from observing distant supernovae, exploding stars that help measure how fast galaxies are moving away from us. But now, a new study published this week and reported by ScienceDaily suggests the expansion might not be speeding up anymore. In fact, it could be slowing down. The research combines new data from supernovae, gravitational lensing, and the cosmic microwave background, basically, the oldest light in the universe. And what it shows is that the strength of dark energy might be decreasing over time. If that's true, the universe could be entering a new era, one where expansion starts to ease off, or even stop entirely in the distant future. This doesn't mean the universe is collapsing, or that we'll see galaxies coming back together anytime soon. We're talking about timescales so large that even the word eternity feels small. But it would completely change how we understand the ultimate fate of the cosmos. For the past 25 years, the dominant model in cosmology has assumed that dark energy is constant, a built-in pressure that keeps pushing everything apart. If it's weakening, though, it means that gravity might eventually take over again, slowly pulling things into balance. Of course, not everyone is convinced yet. Some scientists say it's too early to call this a slowdown and that we need better data. Fortunately, projects like the Vera Rubin Observatory, which will start scanning the sky soon, could give us the best answers yet. Still, it's hard not to notice the irony. In the same week we watched a comet glow gold as it burns through the last of its energy, we also learned that the universe itself might be running out of cosmic steam. One event happens over days, the other unfolds over billions of years. But both remind us how fragile and temporary everything in space really is, from a tiny ball of ice near the sun to the vast expansion of the universe itself. That's your daily dose of space for today. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to subscribe for more cosmic updates every day. And I'll see you in the next one.